Last year, 2021, so some CEO, some say, Papa, we were here and I had to the Moesha Boduong, Moesha Boduong, yes, there will be so a when your mental illness, a bit so why depressed now. Only after anything, we've been put there. One of this supposed sugar that is needing and cooperative what your baby not to offer. I mean, a whole lot of things. But then finally, we got to know that sister, no, I say, me de me wama Jesus so. Me de me wama Jesus so. Me ya wasuma kwa bie my ejo nyami bo. Satan all of us do. Aha, so lady no, sister no say I repent. What's the first no? Oh, you know, Moesha no ultra pictures, Instagram, no your party, now all travel. I mean, those Instagram pictures don't want a pressure. Foul, sister. Girls live how when they been put by force. Or I'm not the girls the big kada or copy sugar daddies. I also about sponsor one. Papa no coffee for one. It was the first day now. All your girls be a girls be a sister. Show us the way. I mean, show us the way. No, I said someone I'm a sugar daddy's big man. One other that rough for ya. What pet skebiamon. Oh, bossate ma. No, I can cash be dollars, $5,000 kakra. Near the work of Dubai trip kakra. Near to iPhone Pro Max ma kakra. Latest iPhone I was so. Ya to amo. We are ya to kakra biama. Oh, it waits on work kakra. Now also so yeah they also yeah. Oh, na bibi e koson kakra. Oh no na sister ya does the one man and sado. Cha. I don't know how much Jesus, but the how much Jesus into also the me amani na no. We Jay, yeah. Now oh yeah, that no or clear ne Instagram photos are all in our Instagram photos in our sister no deleting in our feel on even after repenting, yeah, who do caught chopper or bunko to do a pigeon and so soon chese. Yankopona afano no mu tisisia no abonsam ne mane we ase ne mano aha we jeni nara na sister after that no she hardly post on Instagram. You hardly see her on that app. Now on na sisia nankasa we release the video bia musumu hina miss the oh why not? Let me serve you guys. Now people were saying that because it's also I don't know how my Christ no. You know the sister has big booty, you know ni shape no hair. And I'm confused ni shape ni na jo abade obade. And up also don't know uko Christ ma wo body no, wo shape no eto ne da ho tamu. Ko Christ ma Christ on need to any floor because eto tua na nka say ya de papa. Ewiase uti wiase so tua to. What I say? When to your toy, be say no mine tumpong. A told you there, a told you there. Now this time, I'm going to shape no, it's intact. She a more thing like a daho. Uncle baby, so let's get into the details of what she said. Now, repentant Ghanaian actress and ex-socialite Moesha Boduong has revealed in a new video that she has not entirely left her old character, as many assume. According to the curvy actress, the shape that many rich men paid millions to have is still intact and it is even getting better. Moesha said in the video that she heard people saying she has reduced to nothing in terms of looks and appearance and that she had lost her appeal to men. The actress said she has not lost anything since she decided to give herself to Christ, but has rather gained a lot after changing her old ways. Moesha was seen shaking her backside in a straight dress as she showed off her spiritual mother in the same video and thanked her for saving her life. The spiritual mother, identified as Prophetess Juliana, was said to be the woman who prayed and saved Moesha from death and mental disorder after she was allegedly dubbed by model Victoria Michaels and her pastor brother. And also the monster me now about besan or Kuami Victoria Michaels na or Kofa Moesha don't call anybody the bill yourself for boho or they no call the softness the Moesha and turn the cast. I mean, all them saying now I could do I don't want us to go back. But then Nina has been alleged, Nina alleged, be alleged, be a color. On they say social media no be so you know I found the phone, your baby are not sure, your baby are not can drink hey until man some what can no. And I'm also make care one because of the movie video. So let's go and have a look. I wanna what's today. Moesha, ni shape na di na kono. Or true for and as ne dance ni e wa abotri. Yanko ni yanko share video na yambra.
Me name ba Moesha Boduong.
Me name ma me mo kai video na trendy na no me name ma me biti kan no. Ah mo hwe me na mo si me name style go.
Sa ne kala na ni.
Me ma me so.
Awo fe.
E na ye pe.
PPS
Ye mpa brofo sem.
Na nyame adom. Nyame tumi ne nyame ahoɔdere aba me bɛyi so. Amanfo be hu na tamfo so ani be hu de nyame timi ye. Sa me ba na da so wo ho check aho de. Check ani shape ni da so wo ho. Nyame ma shape ni bia sa be ka ho. Sa me ba Moesha papa bi. Nyankopɔn nam. Prophet Juliana Nuba, Apostle Peter Kenuba, ama me ben no what son of your bron, some no person was shing na amen. In what one? We see that them. See ya. God bless you.
Yeah, into no a town for be color battery, na your power bank the 99 still charging. Town for be color battery, na your tunnel expanded still It has what's the main control? Hey, a chamia only my some can. What's therefore, wait dear, or therefore, Nana, wait dear, or someone. It's over to you guys. Whatever you make of it, make of it. Me too, I am here. What do I have to say? I mean, the whole thing is intact. I don't know why they decided to address that because a lot of things have happened after she gave her life to Christ. Yeah, it in Sembebri. Well, I na life. More open over choose there. You marry plan I there may address. Into no more no address. Obi also don't Mama Christo pa. Mama Christo pa. Obi also don't Mama Christo. As a see, we are self a fedia, dear own yebida. And now we uncle we are self a fedia. Oh, me, I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything. So let's move on. You're free, Ghana, Yanko, or Yanina, Alatafone, Coma. It's been creating or generating buzz.